Hi everyone, I'm going to be going over all these different types of graphs, bar graphs, pie charts, dot plots, um, histograms, and stem and leaves. Histograms and bar graphs are pretty close related. Pie charts use a lot of percentages. Dots, when we refer to dots, there's a lot of different names for that, but dots are just going to be used to represent data in a number line. Just like a stem and leaf, sort of, but stem and leaves use the actual numbers to represent the leaves. So let's get to the next topic, which is this one is a histogram. So what is the range of possible heights? So the lowest height being way over here and the highest height being over here of the trees. So the range would be from 350 to 100, which is 250. How many trees measured between 150 and 200? So the measurements there would be 30 plus about 25, so roughly approximately. How many trees measured between 150 and 200 centimeters? That would be roughly 55. And then it says estimate the median tree height. This would include a couple ideas here. So median is the idea of, think of a highway, the middle of the highway is a median. So the middle, just because it's the middle right now, this number here, 200, it may look like the range between 200 and 250 is going to be the range that actually has the median, but it's actually referring to this number over here, because if you were to line these up, there's more of these, and the median typically represents the number directly in the middle. So for this example, I would say the number in the middle would be in the 250s. How many students are at least 70 inches tall? So 70 inches tall would be two. At least 70, so it would be two. That's tricky because that's in between 65. I would say all the green and all the purple, which you can't see, so all the purple. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Estimate the median. So 1 purple, 1 red. 3 of these, 3 red. 2 of these, 2 of these. And that leaves us right about 60. How many students are between 55 and 65? And that would be 6 here, 5 here, 11 total. Stem and leaf. Write a key for this plot. So the key would be 1, 2 equals 12. Something like 1, 2 equals 12. That's a key. Tells you what all the rest of these mean. What is the fastest solving time? Fastest would be a class of 12 students competed to solve the puzzle in the least amount of time. The time of the minutes are shown below. 12 minutes would be the lowest. 12 minutes. What is the slowest time? Would be 46 minutes. Another stem and leaf example. High temperatures. How many days was the temperature recorded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 days.